Well, today we've got a new project to introduce. It's sitting right here behind me. It's not a new vehicle, I've had it for a while, but time to start doing some stuff to it. So I thought I might document some of the changes. I'm sure you could tell it's obviously a third gen 4Runner. So it's a 2001. They're awesome vehicles. So I've worked on them quite a bit in the past, and so I've got some experience with them. And they're sweet, and they got all the stuff in the world you can get for them. It's pretty cool. So got some stuff on the way. I think today, just to kind of get warmed up on them, we're going to take some steps off just to get her looking a little different, get the party started. So this is it. So what do we have in store for this thing? Well, tires are gone, so I'm sure you can guess we're about to put tires on there. Did score some Stealth Custom Series wheels, which if you know anything about those, are kind of hard to get. It's kind of dumb, I think, the way they do it, but they're cool wheels, so it's worth it. Their offset backspace and all that is just perfect for a Toyota, so it'll get her nice and flush with the fender. Suspension's about war slam out, which if you know, the 99s are about the tallest sitting ones, and being this is an 01, it's about the lowest sitting one. So it's low from the factory, plus like I said, she's war slam out. So we're definitely gonna be putting all new suspension on it. And if you can take a guess, it'll be enough suspension to put 285, 75, 16s on there. So if you're familiar at all with that size, it's about perfect for a 4Runner for sure. So I'm not gonna run my mouth too much. We'll just get straight into some action on this thing. But that's the plan, gonna get going on it. You got four ramps. It's a quick, easy way to get her up off the ground. I have found that versus messing with jacks and jack stand, all that bull crap. Just a little tip. Well, there's one side. Man, it's like she's got a lift already. Piece of cake. Them old Toyota engineers made it easy as heck to get them steps off. If you save your hardware and take care of them getting them off, you can get good money for them for sure. People always want them. So keep that in mind, keep that hardware together. Alright, side two's done. I'm digging it. What do y'all think? Definitely gonna have to paint all underneath the frame. That's one thing for sure. When you take those steps off, they cover a lot of stuff. So keep that in mind when you go to do it. You gonna have some stuff that needs to get touched up, but you throw some black frame paint on there, which is, there is no fancy frame paint. Just put some freaking satin black spray paint on there. She's good to go. It's a good start. I like it. Alright, there she is back on the ground like normal. No steps. I'm digging it. There's about 3 billion videos on YouTube that you can see on how to do it. It's literally 5 bolts on each side, nothing to it. So if y'all got any questions, of course I'll help you out, but I'm sure y'all can handle this. But that's just a quick little before and after. Here's a picture of before, and here's a picture of after. So y'all stick around. Like I said, I got a whole lot more coming starting this week, so I'll keep you updated. All right, y'all take it easy.